Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to delete your credit card details on Foodpanda. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Foodpanda application. Now, after that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register if you're not a member. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the top left corner, we have the address and the search bar. And also in the bottom of the screen, we have the home, shops, we have the search bar, and the account option. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and delete your credit card details on Foodpanda. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go out of all of these options, the four options that we have here, the four tabs. You need to go and click on the fourth tab, which is the account tab. When you click on the account tab, you'll have a screen pop like this. Now, what you need to do is, as you can see, we have the orders, favorites, and addresses. You need to click on we need that in the cashback and payment methods. So basically click there. Now, let's see how you can actually go and delete your credit card. Basically, your credit card will be here. So at the moment, my bank is not working, so that's why it's not there. But be sure when it's here, it will be here. And you just need to go and click on delete to delete the credit card. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.